Hey everybody, this is Troy and Michelle from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. We got a big package in the mail today. Yep, got my little helper here. She's definitely not shy about the camera. I don't see your face though.
I see your face.
So this is some exciting stuff for DIY Tube, and I'm sharing it here on my electronics channel because it's electronics. You can take all that and put it aside behind you, please. It's all good packing material. Okay, so what we have here is some heavy. You can feel that. You can't lift it. Yeah, that's heavy. Alright, I'll put that down. And there's another. Pick it up. Can you pick it up? Oh, that's heavy. Alright. That's just packing material. Okay, take this behind you and put everything in the box. That goes... We recycle that stuff. We reuse that. Now here we have something very special. Okay? So I'm going to get a knife. So watch out, Michelle. I'm going to pull out a little knife. So this is actually for DIY Tube video community. We are working on some expansion products or projects. I don't even know where to cut this. I can't find where the tape starts. Excited. I think she's more excited than I am. You're so happy. So am I, actually. So, I thought this would be a quick little thing, but obviously they were packed well. Very, very well. Now, what we have here is a whole mess of hard drives. Nope. Now here, this you don't touch, okay? These we don't want to touch with just our fingers because they could be static sensitive. We have a whole series of HGST brand hard drives for a data center. You can see my face. We are going to have, up till now everything's been in the cloud, and that has its pros and cons, having everything in the cloud. And right now we're starting our own data center. So I have here, I'm just going to count. I'm not going to go through and open every single individual package right now because I'm not ready for them yet. There's something else coming in the mail. When that comes, then there's something else coming in the mail. And when that comes, we can put it all together. But anyway, I just want to count and make sure we got them all. So there's 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, there's 7 hard drives here, and there should be 7 here, I'm guessing. 7? No, there should be 7, 8. Here. So I'm going to wrap these back up so they're safe for now. Very well packed though. And let me see if I can find the end of the tape here. Watch out again, I have a knife.
I'm gonna sit here.
You're going to sit back there safe?
Because you don't want to cut me.
That's right.
No.
Yep.
You don't want to cut me.
I don't want to cut you.
No. You don't want to cut me.
Nope.
No. You don't want to cut me. You don't want to cut me.
Taped up really well though.
You don't want to cut me.
So that should be, we've got here 2, 4, 6, 8 more hard drives. So we've got a total of 15 hard drives for our data center, and this is just the beginning. Obviously, once we get going, it's going to be more and more and more and more. So that is really, really exciting, guys, for DIY Tube video community. I can't wait to be testing these out, but I'm waiting for the enclosure and a controller card and a cable. So all that's still on the way, but I just wanted to share with you, hey, when I'm talking though, let me talk, okay? Everybody's watching. Yes. So I just wanted to share with you this very exciting moment. Michelle is quite excited, aren't you? Huh? Alright guys, well, stay tuned for the rest of the packages to come and the assembly testing and the fun of setting up our own DIY tube video community data center. Pretty cool. That is really, really awesome. We have grown, we are growing, and we're ready
Daddy, we need to put them back.
to take off.
We need to
Well,
put them back.
yes, we will. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for more exciting videos. Michelle, say goodbye.
Bye.
She's telling me I have to put it away. Talk to y'all later.